Alright, hi everyone. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can save PNG in Photoshop. So let's say that your image is this and then you want to save as PNG. So what you want to do is go up and then click on File, and then you need to click on the Save As, and then here you can rename your file name. So I'm just gonna put Wolf PNG 1. And then for the save as type, you need to click here and then you need to choose PNG. And then after that, you need to save your project. And then here you can just choose your file size. Make sure you choose the largest file size so your image is more quality, and then press OK. So this is how you can save an image as PNG in Photoshop. See you guys in the next tutorial.